Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the G Pro X Superlight and launching Logitech G HUB, because settings only appear when the device is recognized. Once open, make sure firmware updates finish. This prevents missing features. You should select the mouse icon on the home screen, then click the DPI or sensitivity panel. Don't waste time toggling unrelated profiles. Focus on the active profile so changes apply immediately. This first step readies the software and hardware for precise sensitivity changes. Now you change DPI, CPI values. Drag the sliders or type numbers to set exact steps because numeric input avoids guesswork. Once done, arrange profile DPI stages in the order you use them in-game. That makes switching predictable. If you prefer different horizontal versus vertical sensitivity, modify X and Y separately. It affects tracking on certain surfaces. Finally, map a DPI shift to a convenient button so you can snap to a lower sensitivity for flicks. Then return. Finish by saving the profile, and if your mouse supports onboard memory, upload settings so they persist without software. Then you should test in an aim trainer or a consistent in-game context. Look for smooth tracking and no acceleration. If sensitivity feels wrong, make small 50-200 DPI adjustments rather than large jumps. If problems persist, reboot the mouse, reinstall Logitech G HUB, and reset onboard memory. This usually clears corrupted profiles and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.